These Earthmade 3% stainless mixing bowls are a real kitchen game changer. They are quite different from glass bowls. Glass can shatter easily, but these bowls are tough. They are made of stainless steel, so they will not break. Each bowl has helpful measurement markers. These markers make baking much easier. You can measure right in the bowl. And each bowl comes with a lid. The lids are great for storing food. They keep your food fresh. Also, they stack neatly. This saves counter space. So, they are really practical. Furthermore, these Earthmade 3% stainless mixing bowls are like a chameleon in your kitchen. They can do many jobs. You can mix ingredients, or you can marinate food. You can even store leftovers. And the best part is they are microwave safe. This is unusual for metal bowls. This feature is super convenient. You can heat food directly. Then you do not need another dish. Plus, they are eco-friendly. They are a good glass alternative. They help reduce waste. Therefore, they are a smart choice. Finally, the Earthmade 3% stainless mixing bowls are a solid investment. They are truly durable. They will last a long time. They are easy to clean too. Just wash them by hand. Or put them in the dishwasher. You will appreciate their simple design. Moreover, they are truly versatile. They are perfect for any kitchen. Indeed, they make cooking simpler. Consequently, they are highly recommended. These bowls are a kitchen staple. Pros: good value, mix, eat, store. Microwave in same bowl, convenient and durable, lid seals great, microwave safe. With lid, outside stays comfortable to touch, non-slip bottoms, sturdy, fridge to microwave to table. Volume markings inside, easy to use. Versatile cons: lid hard to seal, takes longer to heat food, not for keeping food cold, stopper not attached to bowl, can damage microwave if lid not sealed. Features: stainless steel construction, microwave safe, capacity measurement markers, includes lids. 1.5 quarts, 2 quarts, 4.5 quarts sizes, glass mixing bowl alternative, eco-friendly, Avant-Garde brand, mixing bowl set. Durable material: this Avant-Garde mixing bowl set is made of durable stainless steel. So it's tough. You can even use these bowls in the microwave. They have measurement markers inside to help you out. And lids are included to keep your food fresh. The set comes with 3 sizes: 1.5 quart, 2 quart, and 4.5 quart. It's a great eco-friendly choice and a good alternative to glass bowls. The Earthmade microwave stainless steel mixing bowl set is a good value because you can mix, eat, store, and microwave food all in the same bowl. These bowls are convenient and durable, with non-slip bottoms and volume markings inside. They are safe to use in the microwave with the lid on. And the outside of the bowl stays cool to the touch. However, the lid can be a bit hard to seal, and food might take longer to heat up. Also, these bowls aren't great for keeping food cold, and the stopper isn't attached. Be sure to seal the lid properly, as an unsealed lid could potentially damage your microwave.